Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter and a wonderful weekend. Today we are working on Flowers by the Fence. I call it Flowers by the Gate. And today we're going to be working right down in here. I did get this from Fansells. And the color today is 3849. It's kind of a light to medium turquoise, if you will. So yeah, thought we'd fill in some of this part and see how it went. See if I can get you where I need to. Hang on. Oh goodness. Yeah, it was another nice and quiet day. But it was stunning. It was probably close to 65 degrees. Just absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to have to turn this because I can't stitch from left to right, unfortunately. So, yeah. But there are some up here. So, how is everybody doing? It's Monday. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't get to go to work, but yeah. It is what it is, what it is. But that's okay. I have physical therapy today, and I think that's about the only big thing on my schedule. Because she comes on Mondays and Fridays. I believe that's the way we got that all set up. And showers are Tuesdays and Fridays. So, yay! Somewhere in between, my daughter might show up. Not real sure. And my granddaughter, she just keeps going to work. Well, it is work, but, you know, it's school. So, what the heck did I do? I went right up the right, same one I just went down. I'm going to flip again. Let me see if I can get a better handle on it and see what the heck I am doing. I'm trying to figure out which way I need to stitch and which is the top. But I think we have this going right side now. So if there's a few in there that are backwards, it's okay. Nobody's going to notice on a galloping horse, right? Holy cow. Watched a little YouTube, little Netflix. Just kind of hung out and took it easy. But, you know, there's not much to do around here. How was everybody else's weekend? I hope it was great. Hope you had wonderful weather. I couldn't believe how gorgeous it was yesterday. I even had the door open and fresh air coming in. It was awesome. Just awesome. Whoops. That went well. Trying to hold it in frame. This thing is a little small. Just a bit, but I like them that way sometimes. But I thought we'd just stick another couple colors in here and see how it was doing. I was going to work on the flowers over there, but I think I'm down to colors that maybe have 4 or 5, you know, like the centers that are going to be dark. They've only got like 4 or 5 squares per one, so that wasn't going to last. So I thought we might as well start over here on this greenery by the fence and see how it went. That is, if I can get it to move. Stitched a little bit on the rabbit. That's the rabbit in the library. I really should have stitched on Peter Rabbit just so I could finish that one little piece of Peter Rabbit there that needed to be done. I think we're going to have to turn this again. Hang on. The thread is going every other which way that it should be. Come on. There's a lot of confetti in this. Right on this side, you know, where you would see the trees and the detailing and that kind of thing. And the stuff on the fence was, you know, kind of scattered in lines. It didn't make sense, but there wasn't enough of it either, so that's why we're over here in the bushes. So what's everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun and exciting, something that you like to stitch on, because that's the name of the game. Crying out loud, really? I love it. Yeah. But yeah, I just can't handle stitching on something that I don't want to stitch on. My problem comes in like background in big areas. Oh yeah, that is so not my favorite thing to do. I'd rather do back stitching. At least you'd know you were getting closer, you know, to finishing. Gonna get rid of this needle here because it's getting so it won't turn. Just run it through there a couple of times. Get rid of that. And then go rescue this thread that decided to get itself wound all around the thing. Oh, and as if, you know, this light green, whoops, light green isn't bad enough, there are half cross stitches at the top of all this to kind of fill in, but I'm going to do the full cross first, otherwise I get confused. So, yeah. And I think this is one of the half cross stitch colors. You know what I mean? So, I've gone back and, oh, I didn't cross that. Yeah, well, it was supposed to be half in the first place. Yeah. Here we are. So, if I just do the full cross first, then everything will be fine. I can't believe I think we're into the second week of April already. It'll be summer before you know it. It would be nice. I wish the weather would make up its mind. It's like 25 degrees at night, between 25 and 35, let's say. And then it gets to 65 during the day. Maybe even higher, you know, at some point. But it's like, come on. Ready for those 50-degree nights, you know. Because it usually cools off after the sun goes down. So around here, it'll drop 10, 20 degrees. Trying to maintain the middle there, guys. We're trying. We're doing our best, and then it gets caught over here. So sad, so sorry. Did anybody go anywhere for Easter? Like go to visit relatives or... Fuck, get over there. Or go to with friends out to Easter dinner. Every once in a while we'd go to Easter dinner, but 9 out of 10 times though we were eating at home because there wasn't that kind of a restaurant around. So I ended up making Easter dinner. Usually was ham, scalloped potatoes, yams, you know, sometimes mashed potatoes. Yeah. See if I can get there. This color is kind of strung out all the way down there, and I think there's more on the other side with those, I want to call it elephant ears or whatever you call those leaves. I know they probably got a real specific name, but it's eluding me at this time. Whoops. Get back. We don't need to go all the way over there. Alright. Let me just secure that needle. And we'll turn it around, get the cat out of there. Where did... Well, that's bizarre. Oh, it's over here. It's like, what happened to the magnet? It went and attached itself. Sorry, my bad. There we go. Come on. Please. So yeah, that's coming in there. But I think this same color is over here in these, I call them elephant ears. But if you know, you know. I got nothing, but I haven't started on them, see, over in here. So, we'll see. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.